Day 5 of the Ramadan edit, and our word for today is balance. Jadi dalam bulan Ramadan ini, sometimes kita rasa letih. Maklumlah pukul 10 baru habis salat tarawih, pukul 4 dah bangun untuk siap bersahur, dan pada pukul 8.30 bos pula panggil meeting. Jadi it is important element during this month where we master the art of balancing. Jadi balancing ni ataupun balance ni is part of like a strategic muscle where we must ensure that it's not about 50-50. A lot of people misunderstood ataupun salah anggap yang balancing ni 50% bagi dekat pejabat, 50% bagi ke ibadah or personal. Walhal, it is actually when you do work, you give 100% because work is also an ibadah. Or when you do ibadah, you also give another 100%. Don't think about work and so on. Jadi, let's edit our expectations. Don't feel bad if you rasa letih. Just master the art of balancing. Jumpa esok insyaAllah.